Hello and welcome to the Workforce Workshop channel. I'm your host, Chiras Kelly, and today we're diving into a topic that's critical for businesses in 2025, virtual onboarding and collaboration. As the way we work continues to shift, companies are rethinking how they bring new hires on board and how teams can collaborate no matter where they're located. In this video, we're going to explore the key strategies and tools that can help you streamline your virtual onboarding process and build an effective collaboration framework that keeps remote teams connected and engaged. Let's get into it. One, the shift to virtual onboarding. First, let's address the elephant in the room. Traditional onboarding is a thing of the past. With more companies adopting remote and hybrid work models, the need for effective virtual onboarding has never been more urgent. In 2025, the expectations of new employees have changed. They expect a seamless, engaging, and efficient onboarding experience, even if they're never physically stepping foot into an office. Virtual onboarding is the process of welcoming new hires, introducing them to the company culture, and training them on their roles all through digital platforms. While the idea might sound daunting, with the right tools and approach, it can be just as effective, if not more so, than traditional in-person onboarding. Let's start by breaking down the virtual onboarding process into its core elements. First, there's the pre-boarding phase. This is the period before your new hire even logs into their first day of work. It's essential to make sure that the process is clear, welcoming, and informative from the very start. In 2025, pre-boarding often involves sending out digital welcome kits, introducing new hires to the company through personalized emails or videos from the CEO, and providing them with access to resources like the employee handbook or software tools they'll be using. You want them to feel prepared and excited before their first official day. 2. Tools for streamlining virtual onboarding. Now, let's talk about the tools that make virtual onboarding effective. With the right platforms in place, you can ensure that your onboarding process is organized, interactive, and easy to navigate. A robust learning management system, LMS, is essential for this. An LMS allows you to create custom training modules that new hires can complete at their own pace. These modules might cover company policies, role-specific training, or even cultural immersion activities that help new employees feel connected to their colleagues. Besides an LMS, tools like video conferencing platforms, such as Zoom or Microsoft Teams, are critical for remote onboarding. Video calls allow you to hold face-to-face meetings with new hires, even if they're across the country or in a different time zone. Virtual meetings for introductions, team-building activities, and Q&A sessions help new hires get to know their colleagues and managers, even before they start their official task. For document signing and paperwork, e-signature tools like DocuSign or HelloSign are invaluable. They let you securely send and receive documents electronically, allowing you to collect necessary forms from new hires in a fast and paperless way. These tools ensure compliance and efficiency while also aligning with a sustainable, environmentally conscious workflow. 3. Creating an engaging virtual onboarding experience. So, we know that virtual onboarding involves a combination of tools and resources, but what really makes it successful is the experience you provide. In 2025, new hires expect onboarding to be more than just a series of dull slideshows or a collection of impersonal videos. The goal is to make the experience as engaging and interactive as possible. Start by incorporating interactive elements into your onboarding program. Use gamification techniques like quizzes, challenges, and rewards to make learning fun and engaging. Gamification encourages employees to complete tasks and learn about the company in a way that feels rewarding rather than just a checklist they need to tick off. Another key aspect is mentor programs. Pairing a new hire with a mentor is a great way to provide support, create connections, and foster a sense of belonging. Mentors can guide the new employee through the onboarding process, answer questions, and even offer tips on company culture and team dynamics. This connection is especially valuable when the employee is working remotely and may not have the spontaneous interactions they'd normally get in a physical office. Virtual onboarding should also include opportunities for new hires to get to know your company's values, culture, and mission. This is where storytelling comes in. Have executives and team leaders record videos or host live sessions to share their vision and why they're passionate about the company's goals. This helps new employees feel like they're part of something bigger and gives them a sense of purpose beyond their individual roles. 4. The role of collaboration tools in virtual teams. While onboarding is crucial for setting the stage, the next step in building a successful remote or hybrid team is ensuring that collaboration flows seamlessly. Once your new hires are onboarded, it's time to introduce them to the digital tools that will help them work effectively with their team. And this is where collaboration tools come into play. One of the most important tools for any remote team is a project management platform like Asana, Trello, or Monday.com. These tools provide a centralized location for teams to track progress on tasks, set deadlines, and assign responsibilities. With these platforms, remote employees can stay organized and make sure nothing slips through the cracks. Of course, communication is key in any collaborative environment, and in a remote or hybrid setting, it's even more crucial. Instant messaging tools like Slack or Microsoft Teams allow team members to communicate in real time. These platforms not only help with direct messaging, but also allow for channel-based discussions, where teams can share ideas, updates, and files. By organizing conversations into specific channels, it's easier to keep things focused and avoid distractions. Alongside communication, cloud storage platforms, such as Google Drive or Dropbox, ensure that all your team's documents, presentations, and files are accessible to everyone, no matter where they are working. With cloud storage, you can easily share, collaborate on, and store documents securely. 5. Building team culture virtually. Now, let's address one of the most significant challenges of virtual collaboration: maintaining a strong team culture. Building a cohesive and engaged team remotely requires intentional effort. In 2025, fostering a culture of trust, transparency, and inclusion is more important than ever. First, focus on regular check-ins. This can be in the form of weekly one-on-ones with your employees to ensure they're supported and on track with their goals. You can also schedule team meetings to discuss progress, challenges, and celebrate wins. Regular communication helps keep remote employees feeling connected, even if they're physically far apart. Another way to build team culture is through virtual team-building activities. This can range from online games and trivia to virtual happy hours or even wellness challenges. These activities encourage camaraderie, build rapport, and help remote employees form meaningful relationships with their colleagues. Equally important is recognizing and celebrating achievements. In a remote setting, it's easy for employees' hard work to go unnoticed, so make it a point to celebrate wins, whether big or small. Public recognition in team meetings or through a dedicated Slack channel can go a long way in boosting morale and encouraging continued success. 6. The future of virtual onboarding and collaboration. As we look to the future, it's clear that the virtual onboarding and collaboration will continue to evolve. In 2025 and beyond, technology will play an even bigger role in creating an immersive, engaging, and effective experience for new hires and remote teams. AI-driven tools are becoming a significant part of virtual onboarding. These tools can personalize the onboarding process by suggesting training modules based on an employee's role and previous experience. Virtual reality VR and augmented reality AR could also play a role in creating immersive onboarding experiences, allowing new hires to experience a virtual tour of the office or participate in hands-on training simulations. In terms of collaboration, AI is also making its way into project management tools, helping teams prioritize tasks, automate workflows, and predict potential bottlenecks. This allows employees to focus on the creative and strategic aspects of their work, leaving the tedious tasks to the machines. Overall, the future of virtual onboarding and collaboration is incredibly bright. With the right tools and mindset, remote teams can not only thrive but also surpass the productivity and engagement levels of traditional in-office teams. And that's it for today's video on virtual onboarding and collaboration in 2025. We've covered the key strategies, tools, and techniques that can help you create an engaging onboarding experience for remote hires and ensure your teams stay productive and connected, no matter where they're working from. Thank you for tuning in to Workforce Workshop. If you found today's video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and share it with your network. And as always, I'd love to hear your thoughts. Are you handling virtual onboarding and collaboration in your organization? Drop your comments below, and let's continue the conversation.